So we're now well into Lyme Bay and just leaving the rest of the Dorset Cornish coastline behind us, and about 17 miles, nautical miles that is, east of start point. And the time now is 4:30. It's been doing really well. Katrina's been smashing along, doing about, well, I'd say on average about 6.5 knots. But as you can see, conditions are really in our favour. I just went past that boat a little while ago and the crew on board looked quite wet and miserable and seasick. And they just looked at me as we went past and just kind of didn't know whether to wave or throw something at me, I don't know. But yeah, I wouldn't want to be going the other way, especially when the tide's coming from the west at the minute as well. It's a lumpy sea, but I'd rather be going along with it.